Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how we can add the fingerprint sensor to the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G. So let's begin the video. To begin with, first of all, what you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down towards the security and privacy. Tap on that, and here inside, go to the biometrics, and you will get two options: face recognition and fingerprints. Select the fingerprint. For added security, you can add your fingerprints. You need to set up secure login. It can be your PIN pattern or password. Let me choose the pattern. Draw the pattern you like and continue. Redraw it once again and then press the confirm button. Now it is the time to add the fingerprint. So locate the fingerprint sensor on the phone. It's right now located on the right side of the device below the volume keys. That is the side key, which is also called as a power key. Next, place your finger on the sensor and lift it when the percentage goes up. The percentage here starts moving. Repeat it until you finish the complete scan. Oh, you also need to change the position of your finger when prompted to cover the entire finger. Now, once you've finished, you will get this message, fingerprint added. You can add another fingerprint by tapping on add, and you can add up to 5 fingerprints in total. You can do this later as well. Now tap done to finish adding the fingerprints. Now the setup is complete, and now we have to test it out and see if the lock screen is going to be secure or not. As you can see, I'm just locking and unlocking the device quite easily using the side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is going to be fast, efficient, and accurate. Now guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.